This control arm we're going to talk about the control arm as well as the control arm bushing. So what I'm going to do is explain to you kind of how it works. This bolts into your frame in the front and in the back here. And this arm actually goes, if I can show you here, up and down as you go over bumps. Now, if you notice, this whole arm is brand new. It's being replaced because of the control arm bushing. I'm going to show you the bushing over here. So if you notice right here, this bushing is actually coming out. Now what this will cause a lot of times, as this moves down the road and it allows your wheel to move, it'll cause tire wear. This one, as you can see, is really bad. It's actually pulling out, and eventually this will start to cause a clunking noise, and this does fail a state inspection. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace the entire control arm with the new bushing. Look how nice that one looks in there. So some cars will let us press this bushing out and use the old arm. The problem is that there's another bushing in the front that we left. So a lot of times it's best just to do the whole control arm. And some of these, this is actually on a Honda, so the ball joint is back on the steering knuckle, but some of them actually have the ball joint here too. So a lot of times if we the ball joint's loose, we'll do the whole control arm, which is both bushings and the ball joint. Sometimes we'll just do just the bushing. It depends on the application. But that is a control arm. And like I said, this car was here because this right here failed the state inspection. So that's a control arm assembly with possible ball joint on them.